going to show you how to adjust the mouse pointer size on your MacBook Neo. So if you find the mouse pointer is a bit too small, or maybe it's too big and you want to reduce it, here's what to do. Go to the top left corner of your screen, click on the Apple logo, and then select System Settings. Under System Settings on the left hand side, you want to click on Accessibility, and then under Accessibility, go ahead and click on Display. And then under Display, if you scroll down, you will see the pointer, and then you can see the pointer size. It's set to normal, which is the smallest size. And if you hold one finger on the trackpad and then use the other finger to slide left or right, you can adjust the mouse pointer size. And you can actually see it adjust as you move, and you can be able to choose a specific size that you want or you're comfortable with, and then let go. And that's going to be your new mouse pointer size for your MacBook Neo. Thanks for watching and good luck.